Hello students, now continuation of comparison method. Exercise 5.4. Now if the sum of this type. Then what to do? First you cross multiply. 5x plus 5 equals to, this is my equation number 1. 5x plus 5 equals to 4y plus 4. Or we'll express x equals to in terms of y. So 4y plus 4 minus 5 means minus 1. X is coming 4y minus 1 by 5. This is my equation number 3. From 1 we'll get equation 3. Clear? Then equation number 2. X minus 5 by y minus 5 equals to half. This is my equation number 2. Then again cross multiply. 2x minus 10 equals to y minus 5. Or 2x equals to y, 10 will go, that's it, y plus 5. Then x is coming y plus 5 by 2. This is my equation number 4. Now we will compare these two equations. So we have to write down this term by comparing. In all the sums you have to write by comparing equation 3 and 4. So what you can write now? 4y minus 1 by 5 equals to y plus 5 by 2. Clear? Then we will solve for y. Now we will solve for y. Cross multiply. 8y minus 2 equals to 5y plus 25. 8y minus 5y, 3y, 27. Thus y is coming 9. Now we will put the value of y in equation 3. Putting y equals to 9 in equation 3. 3 was x equals to 4y minus 1 by 5. I think so. Your equation, yes, 3 was this. Now you will put the value of y here. Therefore x equals to, my y is 9. (36 minus 1, 35, 5, 7. Therefore x 7, y 9 are the solution. Clear? So by comparison method we have to solve by this way. Now if the equation is given in this way, if the form of the equation is this, number 9, x plus y by xy equals to 2. Then from here we will separate, we will write down in this way, x by xy plus y by xy. This is my second step. Now this cancel out, this cancel out. So we are getting 1 by y plus 1 by x equals to 2. Now from here we will express x in terms of y. So 1 by x equals to 2 minus 1 by y. Clear? Then take the LCM. 2y minus 1. Now from here invert this x by 1 both sides by inverting this we can write. So from here what you are getting, x equals to y by 2y minus 1. This is my equation number 3. Clear? This is my equation number 3. Then from second one, that is, I think someone has written, it is old book, minus 1 written, otherwise it will not come. It is in your book, it is given x minus y by xy equals to 1, and someone is written minus 1. I don't know why. Okay, it is 1 and x minus y by xy equals to 1. Okay, this is my x. Now from second equation, x minus y by xy equals to 1. Again separate in this way. I have to write down this x equals to y by y minus 1. Then 1 by y minus 1 by x equals to 1, or 1 by x equals to 1 by y minus 1, or take the LCM. From here we can write x equals to y by 1 minus 1. This is my equation number 4. 3, 4. Now comparing equations 3 and 4. Comparing equations 3 and 4. Y by 2y minus 1, y by 1 minus 1. This it as 1. So 2y minus 1 equals to 1 minus 1. 3y equals to 2. Y is coming 2 by 3. Value of y 2 by 3. Okay. Now we'll put this value in equation. Now I am putting this in equation 4. Putting y equals to 2 by 3 in equation 4. X equals to y 2 by 3. Take the LCM. 3 minus 2. 2 by 3 by 1 by 3. So answer is coming 2. X2 and y 2 by 3. These are the solutions. Clear? So by comparison method you will practice in this way. Very easy and interesting method. You can solve yourself also. You have to practice it. Okay. Again I will meet you in next video afterwards by the method of substitution. That method is a little bit lengthier. Okay. Now two theorems you are getting now, video of two theorems, and that 3 videos on solving of linear simultaneous equations. Bye.